If you'd like to offer your customers an alternative cloud scalable solution for syncing and sharing files, look no further. RushFiles is an EFSS, enterprise file sharing and sync software. It is meant to replace traditional file servers with a secure white label-ready solution that seamlessly integrates into your existing workflow. RushFiles is commercialized through channel partners referred to as resellers, who are typically IT and cloud distributors, managed service providers, or system integrators. They resell RushFiles to medium and large companies, corporations, and public institutions that seek the scalability of a non-out-of-the-box solution. These businesses are referred to as companies in the RushFiles ecosystem. Partners may distribute reselling rights to other resellers in their channel who sell the solution to companies. These accounts are called sub-resellers. RushFiles supports multi-tenancy, meaning that all these different account types may be hosted in the same cloud environment. We offer both software as a service and on-premise solutions. All data uploaded to RushFiles is encrypted using AES 256-bit encryption, while all communication is protected with a minimum 2048-bit RSA key. Access to the data can be restricted using two-step verification, IP whitelisting, and device approval. This makes it virtually impossible for attackers to access stored data. Users authorized to access the data may do so using our native client applications for Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and of course, browsers. The desktop applications provide a virtual drive which functions exactly the same as a local or network folder. Users will feel right at home using our apps. Do your end users work in the field with limited or no internet coverage but still need to access corporate data? All of our client applications support storing an in-app offline copy of data which can be edited on the go. The updates were sent to the cloud whenever the devices are online again. Are your customers sharing sensitive files with their suppliers or customers? RushFiles public links provide secure access to select company data. Protected by password, download restriction, expiration period, and many other options. Did employee click the wrong link and company data was encrypted by ransomware? Thanks to our versioning system and bulk data reversion tool that is stored on RushFiles can be reverted to a state just before the attack in only a few minutes. Our reporting tools will make it easy for the IT team to generate an overview of incidents. Every event that occurs to company data is tracked and can be exported for further analysis. We didn't forget about resellers either. RushFiles is a white label ready solution. All our client applications can be rebranded to fit right into your existing product portfolio. Our fully open REST API allows you to integrate our already quick and simple provisioning system into your product management interface. Track your customers' usage and invoice them accurately using our billing report. Different customers have different needs, and almost every feature can be enabled or disabled both globally and for individual accounts. This was just a glimpse of the features available in RushFiles. To learn more, visit rushfiles.com or contact info@rushfiles.com.